these clips. There's music playing in Home Depot, so I cannot let you hear what's going on. However, we are here trying to buy some wood for three raised beds. We are making three 6 by 3 raised beds. Therefore, we need 9 12-foot boards. We are going to have him cut 6 of them in half, and we are going to have him cut the other three into 4 equal pieces. So that will altogether make 3 6-foot by 3 foot raised beds. 8 feet, I mean 8 inches high, sorry. So, Home Depot does not charge to cut this wood. And he's even loading it for me. As you can see, the price, it'll show later, the price was $8.60 at this time. But this was recorded a few months ago, so the price may even be higher. May have gone down by now, not sure. Hadn't looked lately. Um, and right here, we asked him about a bucket of just wood in the trash can, and it's scrap and it's free, so you can go into Home Depot and get some free wood. Yay. So while you're there, check out and see if you can find a few pieces, just like I'm doing, to use for garden projects. And I'm going to speed the video up as he saws the wood and the noise, and I'm going to go ahead and cut out the audio, of course, because I don't want to get a copyright claim. This other cart that I'm passing was reduced 70% off, as you can see, and you might find some nice pieces there too. So always take a look when you go into the Home Depot and see what they have. You never know what you're gonna find, especially with lumber prices what they are today. So enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, here he's cutting up the wood and making his measurements, and I was telling my son during this time, I was like, it would have took me way longer to cut the wood and get precise measurements. So it really does help that they will cut it for you. It saves a whole lot of time and energy. And frankly, they do a better job at it in most cases. Plus the price we're paying for the wood, they should be cutting it for us. So just make sure you have your measurements right when you go in the store and be ready to get them to cut it. Save yourself some time, energy, work, get those things done a lot faster. These beds came to about roughly with screws and wood, I want to say $75 to $80. So that's 3 beds for that price. And that makes it pretty economical. I'm not saying it's the best price, but it is decently economical to get, roughly $30 to $35 each. Well, actually, $30 each at the most. So keep watching. Hope you're enjoying this content. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more gardening content. And again, my name is JC. I do this by myself. I'm a single mom. The cameraman is my son. And trying to do this on it, keep the price low while growing my own food in an HOA. So again, if you like this content, just go ahead and subscribe to my channel where you'll see a lot more ideas, a lot more bills, hauls, garden deals. I do it all. Enjoy the video.